Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making banana biscuits. You're probably wondering why we are even doing this. Well, the banana cake was really good and sweet, even without sugar, so we're going to do this. This recipe is really easy for children, so I really recommend for children to do it. So for the recipe you have banana, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. So let's start. Start by peeling your bananas and putting it in the bowl. Now we've mashed all the bananas and we now start putting the other ingredients. So you could start with any ingredients, but I'm starting with my pumpkin seeds, your sesame seeds, and your sunflower seeds, and mix really well. This is what we have to do next, and then after we put them in these flatten them out and put them in the oven. So they're really well mixed right now, so just a little bit more and we'll be finished. Okay, I think we're now done, so we can start getting our pan and place them all in. Get some space. Put your mixed mixture in. I'm going to start by the middle because I keep on making this. So then, and get a spoon to flatten it all out. Don't take up all the space and don't leave any space because I made a lot, so I don't want to waste any space. So we're pretty much done. It's just a little bit more flattening. Yeah. So now and start making the biscuit pieces. Try and make them really equal and better than mine. Now you can put them in the oven. Now we have been really mixed and we can now try it on. Yes. So I would like to add some honey too. Oh yeah, I like lots of honey. I also like honey too much. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Real good. I hope you like this. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you like this video. Bye!